Hey yo, I see your weight now. When I see your breath, I say, yo. I'm Tiprasa, proud and tall, child of Tripura, where history's whispers call. My roots run deep in this land so fair and bright, with 85 kings ruling, a dynasty beyond compare, a legacy of might. Neermahal's waters reflect my heritage pride. Ujjayanta Palace, a treasure where history resides, a testament to time. My roots are not erasable, they're written in my heart, a flame that burns sublime. A Tiprasa story painted by God, a work of art, a divine rhyme. I am Tiprasa, I am proud, with a heart so pure and true, with a spirit so bold and a soul anew, with emotions that renew. I am Tiprasa, I am proud, with every breath I say, Tripura's my home, my heart's abode, where love resides, where dreams stay. Tripura's beauty's a wondrous sight to see, a landscape so divine, hills and valleys, a scenery full of glee, a treasure to mind. Baroque whispers, a language so sweet and clear. Tiprasa's pride in every heartbeat, the rhythm so dear. Look into my roots, culture's the way, your past so true and bright. Reganai, Risa Sarang, Mathia in a beautiful sway. You dance so light, dance in Mamita, with stories so high, a tale so old and new. Tell the richness of land, where I take pride, a heritage so true. Dang du, chong prang sarinda wa rap tu. My musical age to display melodies anew, a symphony so sweet, a harmony so lively. Sing and dance with melodious folklore. Tiprasa's rhythm in the beautiful allure, with every beat our hearts entwined. Baroque songs, a love so divine. In Tripura's land, where traditions thrive, our folk music, a story to alive, a legacy so rich, a heritage so fine, a treasure so divine, so divine. I am Tiprasa, I am proud, with a heart so pure and true, with a spirit so bold and a soul anew, with emotions that renew. I am Tiprasa, I am proud, with every breath I say, Tripura's my home, my heart's abode, where love resides, where dreams stay. I savor gurok, shahwi, more so than day, penguins delight, a culinary pleasure so fine. Rice, guri, and maimi, bangri, flavors that dance in sight, a symphony so divine. My taste buds sing with every bite so true. Tiprasa's cuisine, a love anew. In Tripura's heart, where love and peace reside, I'll keep my roots strong, with the Tiprasa's pride, with every breath. I'll sing this song, proud to be Tiprasa, where my heart is strong. I am Tiprasa. From Jampuri's tea gardens to Unakoti's sacred stone, Tripura's treasures are forever my own. With every step, I'll honor this land, a Tiprasa's promise forever to stand. My roots are strong, my heart is free. I am Tiprasa, proud to be in Tripura's heart, where love and peace reside. I'll forever be. I am Tiprasa.